Hi guys, welcome to Mika's Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to change your points. If you're new to the channel or haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Our first step is to remove the distributor cap and the clamp holding the distributor. With the distributor out of the car, let's first remove the rotor. You can now remove the adjusting bolt that holds the points in place and pull out the points. With the point assembly out, we can now remove the bolt that holds the condenser and coil wires. Our next step is to remove the condenser by removing the only bolt that holds the condenser in place. As space is limited, the best option is sometimes to remove the distributor plate. To do so, just pull out the spring that holds the vacuum advance to the plate and remove the 3 bolts that hold the vacuum advance mechanism. The plate can now be simply pulled out of the distributor shaft, making it easier to remove the bolt holding the condenser. We can now start to put our distributor back together. First, let's mount the condenser. As our condenser didn't bring a terminal, we are going to clamp a ring terminal to the wire and cut the ends to transform it into an H terminal. As the holding clamp of the new condenser is bigger than it should, we have to swap it with the old to be able to mount it to the distributor plate. We can now start putting back the points. First, slightly press the point spring to place them in the point assembly. Then, put the bolt that holds the assembly together, but don't fully tighten it. With the bolt in place, it's now easier to put the terminals for the coil and condenser wires and tighten them together. Finally, put the points into the plate and secure it by putting the adjusting screw. Now that we have the points back in place, we should test that the distributor rotates freely and that the vacuum advance also works correctly. We should also take the chance to adjust the points with the distributor out of the car. First, slightly untighten the adjusting bolt and adjust your points to a 0.4 mm gap by opening or closing the point assembly. We are now ready to put the distributor back in the car. To do so, just align the rotor with the position of the slot in the engine block and place the distributor in it. Using the mark we did in the step 1, it's now possible to adjust your distributor to the same advanced setting and tighten the distributor. After putting back the distributor tab, you should be ready to start your engine. Hope you have enjoyed this video. Please do leave any questions or suggestions in the comment section, and do support us by clicking that subscribe button. See you next time.